masasabi mo sa hindi kaya ang multiple client? Bobo niyo. Yun, bobo daw kayo.
Hi! We're going to go HighLevel Live Manila. Today is August 7 pa lang. The event is August 8 and 9. Pero magche-check-in na kami sa hotel para maaga kasi from Batangas to Manila medyo malayo din siya. And sobrang maulan ngayon. So let's go! Look at our bags. It's raining. Sana bukas hindi masyadong maulan. But anyway, I am so excited kaya samahan niyo ko to attend to this big event. Kaya muna tayong bonete. Yan ang aking kasama. Hello ka naman. Ay, iwan lang siya sa hotel. Okay, we're here sa MOA. We're gonna eat our dinner. This is what 700 looks like. Good morning, day one. We will check emails muna. Let's go! Hindi daw sa akin purchase ko.
And I've seen such amazing, wonderful faces and smiles.
So, the first question we want to be asking is why affiliates?
The amount of people that have businesses that don't spend time trying to grow their businesses.
So what's your advice for the Filipinos who want to get into this level with digital technology allowed for boost?
pag walang guidance.
Yun. Yun talaga yun.
Let's go, day 2.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Gumalaw man siya. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano masasabi mo sa hindi kaya ang multiple client? Bobo niyo. Yun, bobo daw kayo. Hello. Thank you.
Oh, hi, Dad. She's here at HighLevel Live Manila learning so she can become better and make more money.
Yes, I can help you work money.
Of course. She definitely told me that.
Sobrang saya ng event. Like, literally, I can't say I am so overwhelmed. This is my first time that I have attended a digital marketing event or anything about this career as a social media manager. I used to attend business events and I have attended a lot of business events already. Ito yung pinaka-legit na sobrang na-enjoy ko. Maybe because all of the business events na na-attendan ko is sobrang matataas na talaga silang mga tycoon, businesses, business owners, and etc. Alam niyo ba, itong event na to, late na ako nag-sign up. Parang 2 weeks na lang before the event. Kasi nga, pinag-iisipan ko if I will dive more kay Go High Level. As you can see guys, I'm not really into automation, I'm not really into AI. I used to do it manually, but now, I feel like it's time for me to step up and explore other automations and AI. Though, hindi naman siya nakaka-affect sa mga clients ko. It's just that I want na ako ay updated sa kung anong nangyayari sa social media right now. I am using automations, I am using AI, pero hindi to the point na all of the things is nasa iisang system. And that's how Go High Level is. You can definitely create a system inside it na hindi mo na kailangan ng mga iba't ibang tools. Kasi as of the moment, I am using different tools for clients as a social media manager kasi nga, manual ko siya ginagawa eh. Pero now that I know about Go High Level, I am really trying to figure it out. Yes, hindi po ako umattend ng event just to network. Umattend ako ng event because I want to know more about Go High Level. I want to upskill. And networking, I didn't expect, girl, ganun yung mararamdaman ko sa networking and the connection. Though, hindi ko in-expect talaga na a lot of people will recognize me on that event. Like, I am just creating content on TikTok, sharing my experience, sharing how I do it, sharing everything, my journey. And I didn't expect that ganun na pala yung impact niya sa tao. Kaya thank you so much po sa mga naka-recognize sa akin sa event na yun. And I am so happy to receive those photos. Ito, yan. Yang lahat ng yan. And I know, sobrang dami pang photos kasi ang dami ko pang hindi na-receive ng photos na alam ko nagpa-picture and alam ko nakakonect or nakausap ko sila sa Go High Level event. Kaya please, if ever, message nyo ako sa Instagram, sa TikTok, and sa Facebook ng ating picture. So, para ma-compile ko, so I can go back to those memories. Like, today, tinitingnan ko din yung mga photos na yon and mga videos na yun. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa event na to. Kasi hindi lang ako natuto sa mga speakers, natuto din ako sa mga creators na nakausap ko, nakakonect ko. Because they are also sharing those gems, those learnings, those advices. And sobrang dami kong na-explore, na-experience nila and what's happening sa kanila. And nabigyan ko din ng advice one-on-one. And attending this kind of events will not end here because I am really looking forward to attend more events in the future. Kaya I hope to see you there.